Hello, my name is Daniel Shigemura. I'm representing Volcano Hotel. Mr. Stone is the general manager of Volcano Hotel. He is a diligent worker who is well respected in his community. Mr. Stone recently was required to terminate from employment Ms. Flo for misconduct under company-wide policy. The claimant would argue that she was fired for other reasons other than misconduct. However, that is not the case, and I believe the evidence that I will be presenting will show that Ms. Flo was terminated for no other reason than misconduct, disqualifying her from unemployment benefits. I will now begin my direct examination of Mr. Stone. Mr. Stone, for the record, can you please state your name and your title?
My name is Manny Stone. I am the general manager of Volcano Hotel.
Mr. Stone, can you please, in your own words, describe the events that transpired that led up to the termination of Ms. Flo?
Well, Ms. Flo on a number of occasions broke company policy. Originally, she had been verbally reprimanded, but then a written warning was given. We had discussed company policy prior to that. However, after discovering she was handing out discounted drinks, I was left with no other choice than to terminate her employment.
Thank you very much. I would like to now enter into evidence what would be labeled Exhibit 1. Mr. Stone, can you please look at this document and can you please tell me what that is?
This is a written warning for Ms. Flo covering her performance at work and her need to improve.
Thank you very much. I would now like to enter into evidence what would be labeled Exhibit 2. Mr. Stone, can you please describe to me what this document is?
This is Exhibit 2, which covers company regulation and examples of infractions and what disciplinary actions may result.
Thank you very much, Mr. Stone. Mr. Stone, can you point out what infractions took place that occurred that led to the termination of Ms. Flo?
Yes, failing to uphold company policy and breaching guidelines covered in the company handbook.
Thank you very much, Mr. Stone. That is all the questions I have for you. I will now begin my direct cross-examination of Ms. Flo. Ms. Flo, isn't it true that there is no rule in the company handbook that goes over any sort of comma ina discount?
Well, nobody told me that.
Ms. Flo, can you please answer in the yes or no?
No.
Isn't it true that by giving out discounted drinks that you were in fact breaking company policy? And I would like to remind you, please answer in yes or no.
Well, I didn't.
I'm sorry, Miss Flo. Can you please answer yes or no?
Yes.
Isn't it true that by you signing, acknowledge the fact that you fully understand and comprehend company policy?
Yes.
Thank you very much. That is all the questions I have for you. We believe that the evidence presented today will show that Ms. Flo was terminated for no other reason than her misconduct. She acknowledged signing documents upon initial employment which would show that she fully understood company policy and that, in fact, by giving out discounted drinks was breaking that company policy, which, under the guidebook, shows that termination is not an unreasonable step. We respectfully request that you affirm the original determination disqualifying her from benefits under unemployment. Thank you for your time.